What'd you do?
Eggs.
Did you get those out yourself? Okay, I'm going to watch you make eggs today, okay? All by yourself. Okay. Good job. Perfect.
So I did one napkin.
One napkin? Okay. I forgot to give you a napkin. Next, you're going to do my egg for me today?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Pay attention, my love.
You might do that swing. I'm going to make my beard got my giraffe on it.
Oh, you need your giraffe whisk?
Yeah.
There you go. You're welcome.
Okay.
Well done, partner. Dressing up as a Timmy sure is a lot of fun.
It's clap.
I'm
Yeah.
sure fun from Wild Wild West. Looks like everyone else here is dressed
Yeah.
as cowboys too.
Did it.
Here's a story about a cowboy named Bruno, the nicest fella that you could
Pay attention. What are you doing?
never attack me, no, it's kept a good.
Good job. No shells? Perfect, bud.
Dogs left it.
Now you whisk it. Gab is pretty loud, huh? It's okay. It's okay. Whisk it so we can cook them. Hi, baby. What happened? Thank you. And then what? You want to put some pepper in there?
I can't leave that.
What happened? Oh, you trying to play with the iPad? It's okay. Thank you, Rocco. You make us eggs? Love you. Perfect. Okay, you need some help? I love you. You need help?